Hi friends! So today I wanted to share a recipe of green tea dorayaki, which is sweet red bean paste sandwiched with green tea pancakes. So first of all, start by cracking an egg into a bowl, adding some sugar, water, some honey, a hint of mirin, which is Japanese wine, and soy sauce. Give this a good mix. Then add the dry ingredients of self-raising flour, green tea powder, and give it a good mix. And make sure the consistency isn't too thick, otherwise it can make the pancake very thick like this, which is my first attempt. So if the egg is slightly small, add some extra water. And when the batter's right, rest it for 20 minutes. Then heat up the pan, grease it with a little bit of oil, and we're going to start cooking the batter. So pour the batter, make it into a circle shape, and we're going to cook each side for 1 to 2 minutes. And when you start seeing the little bubbles on the surface, it's time to flip them. So when the pancakes are all cooked, put it on a plate and let it cool. And then we're going to start sandwiching the sweet red bean paste. And it's totally up to you how much you want to sandwich. I like to put plenty in it, which makes the pancake, the dorayaki, very thick, but it's totally up to you. And the size of the pancake is up to you as well. I made a very small mini dorayaki. So once they're all sandwiched, wrap it in Glad wrap, and you can keep this in fridge for 2 to 3 days. But otherwise, it's ready to be served. So it has plenty of sweet red bean paste, which I love, and the green tea was delicious. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.